New York City harbor cams. Ooh, did you see that? It was right there. I wish I was in closer, but I wasn't. I just got here and saw it, right when you saw it. Look. Look at that. They're here. Okay, these are objects. And they're feeling free to fly around today for some reason, but they are. So we'll watch these for a few seconds, and I'll start panning. It kind of is what got my attention. So after setup, we still caught a few. That's nice. See them? They're black. All these little, look at them all, like pepper on mashed potatoes. They'll be there and then they'll be gone. And then we'll see, like we just did, them just dropping in and out of stuff. Sometimes they pop like fleas. Real quick like. There's a lot of them though. Hopefully you'll be able to make it out. I already had to avoid one video today because you couldn't make out what it. Look at those. Quite a, oh there. Quite a sky. Loaded, loaded. Makes me want to start singing New York, New York. Oh yeah. See them? Hopefully you can. Okay. Can't get to them quick enough sometimes, so just watch for little black things moving around, or silver, cedar colored. They're quick. Sometimes they just show up and then, you know, they pop on and pop out like one over here just did. But watching. I'm going to go back and forth so we can... Ooh! You should be able to make those out now. They just got larger. Look at... Yeah, those appear big. Very big. There you go. There you go. Did you see it? You should have been able to. That's what we're doing. We're looking for those. Oh, that stands out. But just watch now. They're there and then they're not. This is a great afternoon for these. Okay, we'll pan. I'm certain we'll see a few more. When they're this thick and clear, it's easy. Just keep panning. Ooh! Look, 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 look. See it? See it? That's not a plane or a helicopter. It's moving rather crazy. Oh, there's two now. Oh, now it's gone. Dang it. I sure hope you can see. That's my biggest concern. I've had to delete so many videos because I can make this out, and you guys can't. That was big enough. They were big enough. Let's go back. That was awesome. New York's not disappointing. Oh, that might be something. Maybe that'll get jiggy. Maybe it's not ready yet. Thought I saw something. Okay. Oh, maybe they're coming from this bad boy. Look at the size of that sucker. Wow, it's covered in them. That might be the... I'll watch that for a second. They're moving around on that. Let's go over a little if we can. I hate leaving this spot, but that's how we find them. Whoa. Look at them. We should get something from here. We should. It'll come across. Not worried. Wow, look. I'm not sure how it's going to show up on your side. Whoa, look at the saucer ones. Look. This could be one of the best videos so far. If you can make it out. Oh, there we go. Ah, it was just right here. Oh. Is that it? Yeah, it was it. Dang it, we missed it. It's alright, there'll be more. There. Okay, now that looks like a... Well, it did look like one, but it doesn't now. I was going to say, it looked like... Oh. No, that's not a plane. Whoa, look at that. Oh, how'd it get over there? Dang, it's just going so fast. Dang it. Go back. Planes don't move like that. They don't skip across the screen. And that's not a plane. Ooh, it went into that thing. Okay, see what happens now. Told you it wasn't a plane. You can tell. Alright, well, we're not going to spend our day in that cloud looking for it. So-called cloud. This is awesome. This is what we want. We want to catch things. Perfect. You'll have to excuse my excitement. I get very excited when I get them like this, when they're so active. Wow. There's so many. Look. That's like the one that flew across. Look at the shapes on these things. We're in as close as we can get. I don't know if you can pick up yellow with a white center in this cloud. See all these? This is supposed to be a white cloud with a blue background. These are the things that pop off and go flying across the sky. At nighttime, they're luminescent. Okay, let's go back across. Man, look at them all. They're up high, they're down low. I've literally seen like outside chimneys, doors, windows. You'd be surprised the things they do. Okay. We might squat here for a second. Just a second. I don't want to miss anything. Boy, that one was fast, the one I was chasing. And then it went into that little cloud. Look at all these. Look at them all. Can you see those, folks? Make sure to give me some feedback. Let me know if you can see these. So many. Fleas on a poodle. Look at that. If those took off flying, we'd be able to see them. So we're looking for, like the last one, bigger. The bigger the better. There's nothing you're looking at that's not an object, by the way. See if there's anything flying down here. Look at them right over the buildings. They just hop on and hop off. Not to freak you out or anything, but this is reality. This is what's going on. Man. Fantastic. Absolutely unbelievable. Alright, we're going to have to go up top. Get a lot of activity up there. A lot of activity. I might have to come back here right after this, right after the upload. There's a lot happening in the sky. We've only got like less than 2 minutes. We'll just go back and forth waiting. Man, that's something. Usually around these towers, the tops of the... I had to chop the video off because we've got moving objects and I ran out of time. Just keep an eye on them. Those are them. Look at them. See them? 1, 2, 3. They're all moving. Look at them. Look at them. Whoa. They're not birds. They're not planes. They're not helicopters. The other one disappeared. But we got these ones. See them? And I had to cut some video off. Look at that. What the heck is that? I don't know what that is. Oh man, I can't go over anymore. It was white in the beginning, and then it turned black. I had to throw some footage away, by the way. It's sad. Very sad.